How to change Facebook Messenger notification sound. So to get started, open your Facebook Messenger app, and in your app, tap on the three lines on the top left corner. Now, go ahead and tap on the settings icon just beside your name, and tap on notifications and sound. So here you can go ahead and change the notification sound by tapping on text tone. Here you will see a list of different notification sounds. You can go ahead and choose the one that you want to use. So that was how to change Facebook Messenger notification sound.